Hello everyone, and today I'll tell you how to improve the sound on your Nothing ERA headphones. So first of all, let's open up our Nothing X application. Here, find your cog item at the top right corner, tap on it, and first of all, let's enable high quality audio. Press enable, press reboot, give it a few seconds to reboot, and now you will definitely hear a huge difference in sound. Alright? So the next thing what we can do is to update the firmware. Once again, at the top right corner, tap this icon and find your firmware update. If there are gonna be any, simply tap on it and press install. So sometimes this improves sound quality. As I mentioned in the description, one of the updates already enhanced the codec quality and reduced latency when using the AAC codec, as well as boosted sound in gaming mode. So make sure your earbuds are on the latest firmware updation. Now, let's go back to our application right here. So the last thing I would recommend you to do is to use your equalizer. So here you can choose between different sounds presets depending on the type of music you've been playing. Also, you can adjust everything manually by simply pressing custom, and here you can drag your frequencies right and adjust your kilohertz. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.